Once upon a time, in a land far, far away, there lived a little boy named Tim. Tim was known for his kind heart and curious mind. One day, he heard a strange noise coming from the forest. Could it be a new friend? Tim thought. He bravely ventured into the forest to find out. To his surprise, he encountered a Chitauri, a creature he had only heard about in stories. "Hello, Chitauri," Tim said, with a friendly wave. The Chitauri looked surprised but then smiled, revealing shimmering teeth. Tim felt a warm feeling in his heart. "I've never met a kind human before," the Chitauri said. "Most people are afraid of us." Tim felt sad. He wanted to help. "Don't worry, Chitauri," Tim said. "I believe everyone deserves kindness, no matter how different they may look." The Chitauri's eyes sparkled with gratitude. Tim spent the day with the Chitauri, teaching him about the world and learning about his home. At the end of the day, the Chitauri promised to return the favor by sharing his unique abilities with Tim. From that day forward, Tim and the Chitauri became the best of friends. They taught others that kindness knows no bounds and that differences should be celebrated, not feared. And so, the forest was filled with friendship and love, thanks to a little boy named Tim and his new friend, the Chitauri. As Tim went to bed that night, he smiled, feeling content. He knew that dreams come true when you have a kind heart and an open mind. And with that, he drifted off to sleep, dreaming of many more adventures with his special friend. The end.